8 methods for making individuals regard you right away. 1. Be the last to talk to. Have the option to chuckle at yourself free. Let your activities talk stronger than your words. 4. Express out loud. Whatever you mean, tell the truth. 5. See the great in everything and everybody. 6. Give regard to others. Treat others how you need to be dealt with. 7. Have the option to change yourself into a better individual. We are intended for change. You are either improving or getting more awful. 8. Help other people when they need assistance. Also, request help when you really want it. The vast majority stay calm in any event. When they truly need to express something, to stay away from a contention with somebody, they give it a second thought. About brain research says when you are meeting somebody, show fervor. This will make them more eager to see. Also, meet you later. The expert of this method are pet canines. Conflicting nurturing style frequently leads to the kid being not able to depend on the guardians and become restless, shaky, and furious. Brain research says when you begin taking care of yourself, you begin feeling better, you begin being more appealing, and you indeed even begin to draw in better. Everything begins with you. Not having companions has a similar life anticipation impact as smoking 15 cigarettes daily. Brain research expresses how to win a contention, assuming the individual contending blows his top. Furthermore, begins yelling. Regular human inclination is to yell back. Don't remain composed and answer peacefully. This will irritate them considerably more. Attempt it. It works. Never get excessively connected to anybody, except if they additionally feel something similar towards you, since uneven assumptions can intellectually obliterate you. Brain science says when you attempt to persuade somebody over something, ensure they are sitting and you are standing. This causes them to trust you sooner. Young ladies who begin consuming less calories early on are bound to take part in liquor, chronic drug use, sometime down the road. Brain research expresses allude to individuals you've just met by their name. Individuals love being alluded to by their name, and it will lay out a feeling of trust and kinship. Immediately character creates. Due to social also, local area impacts unfamiliar. A lot of when somebody says they need to pose you an inquiry, you review every one of the terrible things you have done as of late. Giggling brings down the degree of chemicals. Furthermore, fortifies the safe framework in the vast majority of the way of life. Men view that as more youthful ladies are more alluring than more seasoned ladies, though ladies are drawn in towards more seasoned men. Psychoticism is deficient in compassion, horrible and introvert, forceful and inconvenient. At the point when you lose your cash, you lose nothing. At the point when you lose your well-being, you lose something. At the point when you lose your personality, you lose everything. At the point when we are compromised, we give our all to cherishing, adoring, caring, tranquil, make others accept we are great individuals. One of the hardest things isn't talking to somebody you use to converse with each day. At the point when you wheeze, you are not dreaming. The most risky individual to be with is someone that would rather not love you, yet in addition would rather not lose you in the event that you can bear to eat 3 feasts a day for a long time straight. You are in the main 15% of the most extravagant individuals on the planet.